bring down, to cause something to become less. They've really brought down the price of electric cars. Drugs can bring your blood pressure down. Calm down. Stop being angry or emotionally excited. He was angry at first, but we managed to calm him down. Calm down, for goodness sake. It's nothing to get excited about. Chase down. Try hard to find or get something. After an hour, the police were finally able to chase the criminal down. I went to 5 different hardware stores to chase down that part for the heater. Chop down, to cut through something, to make it fall down. They chopped down most of the forest and now it looks like a desert. Most of the diseased trees were chopped down last year. Chow down, eat. Dinner's ready. Chow down. He chowed down on lobster. Climb down. Accept that you're wrong and change your position. The government has been forced to climb down over the issue of increased taxes. Close down. Close a shop, branch, or business permanently. The banks have closed down a lot of branches in villages over the last few years. Our local butcher is closing down. Calm down, to fall and land on the ground. Just look at the rain coming down. I'm not going out in that. All the leaves have calmed down now. Cool down, get cooler. I left the tea for a minute until it had cooled down enough to drink. We cooled down with a swim in the pool. Count down, wait impatiently or excitedly for something to happen. I'm counting down the days till they leave. She's already counted down to the big day. Lay down. Put away or stop using something. He laid the book down on the table. Both sides were argued to lay down their arms. Let down. Disappoint, fail to keep an arrangement. This machine won't let you down. She failed to turn up and I felt badly let down. Be down, be depressed. He's been down since his partner left him. She was down about the recent death of her mother. Bid down, get someone to lower the price of something. I managed to bid him down to $50. He wanted $8,000 for the car, but I bid him down to $6,000. Bend down, lower the top half of your body. I bent down to pick it up off the floor. She bent down and picked up the coins lying on the road. Blow down, when the wind forces something to fall. A tree was blown down in the storm. The rain was continuous and the tent was blown down. Break down, stop working. The telephone system has broken down. My car's broken down, so I came by taxi. Melt down, heat something soiled, especially mental, until it becomes liquid. They melted the gold statue down and turned it into gold bars. They melted down the gold rings and bracelets. Cut down, consume less. We need to cut the article down to 1,000 words. I'm trying to cut down on fatty foods. Die down, decrease or become quieter. It was on the front pages of all the papers for a few days, but the interest gradually died down. A storm is expected tonight, but the wind and the rain should die down by morning. Dress down, dress casually. The staff are allowed to dress down on Fridays. She always tried to dress down on her first date with a man. Fall down, have a weak point. The argument falls down when you look at how much it cost. That's where the theory falls down. Get down, leave a vehicle, leave the table after eating. The train pulled in and we got down. When they had finished dinner, the children asked if they could get down. Go down, sink, stop working, especially computers. When the sun or moon goes down, it disappears below the horizon. The system is going down in 10 minutes. Hand down, pass on the next generation. The jewelry has been handed down in my family for generations. Most of his clothes were handed down to him by his older brother. Hold down, stop someone or something from moving. It took 3 men to hold him down. It took 4 of us to hold him down and stop the fight. Keep down, to make something stay at the low level. The food was so horrible that I struggled to keep it down. Keep the noise down. Key down, relax. I need to key down before I go to bed. She finished her lunch and then keyed down in the sun. Kick down, break something with your feet. The police kicked the door down. Knock down, hit and injure someone. She was knocked down by a bus. He knocked his opponent down 3 times in the first round.